Welcome back, colleagues. This is now term 4, the knowledge strand, planet Earth and beyond. This knowledge strand, I learned that it's unpopular with some of the colleagues because of its nature, and I can understand that, but to a certain extent. This knowledge strand deals with earth sciences, rock formations, etc. But it also deals with some aspects of the atmosphere. Not only does it do that, it also has astronomy. So there's a number of ideas that are within this knowledge strand that children have to understand at this level. It is quite important that they do. So one of the things that is important is the idea that, for example, planet Earth is round. That's a difficult concept for children to understand. It's been researched for decades, and it still remains, the results are always similar, that children do not quite get to understand that. So it is a concept that we still need to teach. So these are the topics you have in the ATP, as you can see them. But what we have done here is that, well, as it was done in CAPS as well, children in grade 4 are introduced to planet Earth, the sun, the Earth and the sun, how they relate to one another. But as you move further in grade 6, they actually look into the solar system as a system, which includes other planets as well. So what we've done in this knowledge strand is that we retained everything in grade 4, just as it is. And we retained everything in grade 5. So everything is just as it is. And everything in grade 6. So nothing has been really done here. Everything has been retained as it is. Now, the one point I'd like to make is as regards the solar system, that even though we teach the subject, it actually seems to become difficult to understand that when we talk about the solar system, it's a system of the sun. Even though we sometimes say sol means sun, etc., we say those things, but we rarely actually say this is the system of the sun, because the energy within the solar system resides with the sun. The reason that the planets are moving around the sun is because of the sun. So this is an important idea to actually get to grips with for our children. Now, some of the things that children need to understand is of course, how the planets move and what a day is and what a night is. And when I say what a day is, I mean exactly what a day is and what a night is, as opposed to what daytime is and what nighttime is. Now, these are the concepts that seem easy and easy to understand, but actually there's a difference when we come to this particular knowledge strand. Colleagues, at that point, I want to just move quickly to assessment simply by referring you to Circular S33 of 2022, because the weightings are provided there as well as for the entire program of assessment. Everything else regarding assessment remains exactly the same, except for the weightings. And you've got these documents in your province now, so just make reference to them. At this point, colleagues, I want to say thank you very much. We've come to the end of our presentation. Thank you. Bye.